Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage, and I'm by myself today. Oleg is busy with the other projects, but I have a fun one for you guys. It's our new build, and as you could tell by the title, you already know what it is. We're on the way there. We're gonna go check it out right now. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm really excited about it, so yeah, I'm hoping it's gonna be a good one. And also, I know this build might take some time because semi trucks like that, they're not a quick fix. It takes a little bit of time, so be patient with this build. Meanwhile, we're going to be still putting out videos of the other builds and stuff, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is what we got here. It's a 2009 Peterbilt Cascadia. It has 1 million miles. I believe it's a one owner. It got hit pretty good. You guys could tell, rear-ended somebody and just destroyed the front end. But I don't think it's too bad. We're gonna take it apart here. In the next clip, you'll see we'll take it apart and show you guys. I'm gonna go over, show you guys some details of the truck. The tires, I mean, it's brand new tires basically. A little bit of door damage, and then on the back by the exhaust, there's some damage, but overall not too bad of a truck. This is a very clean truck, and then I'll show you guys here the interior in a minute. The interior's in very good condition, and just overall good truck. Okay, so took it apart a little bit, took off this front, I don't know what to even call it exactly, I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna have to replace this. Definitely not fixable, I'd say not safe. Okay, so this is it for today. Got the whole front end taken apart, ordered some parts. We might get this done faster than I thought it would take. We ordered the parts, all the parts. We got most of the parts, and parts cost around, I'd say $3,000. So not too bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a quick overview, show you guys some stuff, some damage a little bit. Well guys, stay tuned for this, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.